Radhe Radhe. So this is a pick a pile read for you, and this is absolutely exclusively your love reading. You need to choose either pile 1, this is pile 1, and this is pile 2. Okay, I'll do the readings simultaneously. Okay, I'll go for pile 1 and then pile 2. Okay, and I'll let you know what your person is currently thinking about you, and then what action the person can take, okay, he or she, and what could be the possible outcome. And this is absolutely a timeless reading. Whenever you are watching it, this may resonate, this should resonate, this will resonate. Okay, let me start. You need to choose either pile 1, this is pile 1 and this is pile 2, and now I'll start my reading with pile 1. Wait, keep it aside. Let me see at first what your person is, those who have chosen pile 1, what your person is currently thinking and feeling about you at present. Okay, the current feelings of your person towards you. This is for pile 1. This person feels like it's getting too late. He feels like a day feels like a year for this person. He wants everything with you, everything. I mean to say, he wants to have a family. He feels like, देखो, काफी time हो गया. It's getting too late. He's feeling it. I told you now, 1 day is equal to a year for this person. What else? What else this person is thinking and feeling about pile 1? You know, he feels like in the past he took some abrupt decisions. He was just walking away from some commitment. This person must be commitment phobic. Okay, earlier this person was running away from such commitment, and right now 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, those who know tarot. Okay, see, this person wants to have a lot of communication with you, lot of communication. Pile 1, I'm very glad for you. And let me see, this is his or her current feelings. Let me see, will this person take any actions from his or her side? Let me see, just a second. Action wise, oh my god, this person is having, this person is having a lot of feelings for you, a lot of emotions for you. He's controlling it. He doesn't know how to approach you. He doesn't know. Absolutely not. You know, I'm not seeing him approaching, at least for the time you're watching now, at least for the upcoming at least 10 days. I'm not seeing this person taking any action. But let me see, what could be the possible outcome of your relationship with this person, and then I'll give you the time frame also, because you know this person wants you desperately. This is very clear. I showed you the cards, and he's so much into his minds, he or she, too much overthinking the situation, like how to proceed further. This person doesn't even know. Now let me see what could be the possible outcome if this is your story, okay, of your relationship with this person. Lots and lots of communication, which will bring a lot of healings to the situation. I said this person wants a lot of communication, and this communication is the only key to resolve issues between both of you. See, once he or she is there, okay, once there is communication, be it from his side, your side, or it is situational, doesn't matter, that will resolve 99.9% of your problem. And this is there in his mind also, his or her mind also. Congratulations, pile 1. I'm so glad for you. Now I'll go with pile 2. Just a minute. Pile 2. Those who have chosen pile 2, let me see what your person is currently thinking and feeling about you. Pile 2. Those who have chosen pile 2. Okay. What is going on in your person's mind for you at present? Whenever you are watching, because this is timeless, whenever you are watching it, this story may resonate with you. Okay, listen to it carefully. Let me see what the person is thinking and feeling about you. Pile 1. This person is absolutely into two minds. Lot of juggling. Juggling for what? This seems to be absolutely third party situation. Don't worry, pile 2. I'll see what's coming up next. I can clearly see somebody's influence in this connection. This person can be anybody. It can be friend, can be a family member, it can be neighbor, it can be anybody, or can be somebody in the love interest. Okay, I need to find it out. I'll find it out. Don't worry. It seems like when you were in no communication, no, this person tried to have a relationship with somebody else also, but it did not work out. Let me see. What is this? This person wanted to manifest a lot of things that he had in mind. He initially, what this person felt, doesn't matter if pile 2, the people who are watching this, if you are not there into his or her life, he can manifest anything he wants. But what he got absolute. He or she is absolutely into this depression, you can say. Depression here. Okay, and he feels like just because of some miscommunication, just because of his arrogance, he knows this person has some guilt from within. Just because of his arrogance, things did not work out there also where he or she tried, and here also this person is almost on the verge of losing you. Let me see what action. Will this person take any action soon? Will this person take any action towards you soon? Oh my god, lot of juggling. I'm not seeing this person taking any actions, at least for the upcoming 2 to 3 weeks. Let me see what could be the possible outcome, because he or she feels like you are also very distant from this person. This person is seeing you, or this might be his or her gut feeling that you have also maintained distance, and this person is standing here looking you're very far away, you're absolutely into your own zone, you're not approaching this person, not at all. Let me see what could be the possible outcome of your relationship with this person, pile 2. This situation is going towards stability. Absolutely going towards stability. But how? Let me see. How and why? How? This person must take some actions. You know why? Because I can clearly see some stalking. I'm getting this heavy stalking energies from his or her end. And this is a virtual stalking. Virtual. It can be through social media. If you're not on social media, it can be watching your DP, WhatsApp DP, or can be any means. वो थोड़ी ना लिखा होता है यहाँ पर तरीका क्या है. But this is virtual. It's not like the person is asking directly from somebody, where is my partner? Where is the people from pile 2? What are they doing? No. This person is doing some online. And see, this can be some readings also. If the person believes in these things, if the person is regularly into occult sciences, connecting to astrologers, connecting to tarot readers, so this can be also one for some people. So for some of you, okay. And you know what this person is having in mind towards you, that I told you earlier also, that you are absolutely focused on yourself. You are you have distanced yourself. You are not approaching this person, not at all, and you are absolutely doing great focusing on yourself. And this is triggering this person like hell. See, when it comes to possible outcome, no need to worry, because this is going towards stability. And obviously, unless and until you both are reconciling, there cannot be any sort of stability in the relationship, no? Okay, but there is a wall of ego in between. This person must be very egoistic, please don't mind. And don't worry, things, but I'll give you one time frame also. When is the possibility that things may be on track? Let me see. for both of you. Pile 2. Wait for 1.5 months. This is a timeless read. Whenever you are watching now, wait for 1.5 months, and there are high chances that you will see some positive changes. Okay, all the very best to pile 1, pile 2, both of you. God bless you. Radhe Radhe.